Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a whiteboard in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Sorry. Okay. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account. After logging in, you will find a search bar here. Just click and write whiteboard. Press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many whiteboard templates. Okay, you can see here many whiteboard templates. You just have to choose one and start customizing yourself, which is obviously preference with your choice or which is relevant to your brand or company. Okay guys, so let's choose one. So let's choose the first one, visual roadmap planning whiteboard in blue basic style. Let's customize this template. If you want to customize, just click on this customize this template. You can see here the visual roadmap whiteboard. If you want to customize, you can customize every portion you want. Like you said, you can see here everything you can customize. I'm going to show you how. Just click here, and if you want to make it zoom, press Ctrl and up scroll from your mouse. It will be zoom like this. Then you can see here with your third milestone here, just you can double click and backspace from your keyboard. It will be removed and you can write your things here, like anything you can write here. Okay, that's up to you. Just double click, press backspace from your keyboard and write anything. Okay, you can change the background color of this blue. Just click here and go background color, and you can see here many colors. You can choose colors. Okay, but let's remain it pink. You can write here visual roadmap to anything, like roadmap for my success. You can make it less, you can decrease your font size by clicking on minus button. Just decrease it, decrease the size. Let's make it 80. Okay, you can now make it small. You can drag it like this from your mouse. Okay, so you can see here every milestone you set. You can I already show you how you can edit this. Now I'm going to show you how you can change the background color. You see here the sky or anything. Just click on this portion and you will find here color, and you can change any color. Okay, this will be like this. So let's remain it blue. It seems good. So now if you want to change if you want to add any text here, just go to text, or you can find many text here. Just choose one and it will be like here. You can drag it here and this will be like this. If you want to edit this text, double click on this, click backspace, it will be removed, and write your things. Okay, you can decrease it by clicking on this and minus button. It will be decreased. If you want to change the color, text color, go here, text color, and you will find many colors. Just choose one. Okay guys, so you can change everything. Like I'm gonna change the circles background color. I like to be it like this, yellow. Okay, I want it to be green, so I choose it and I'm going here color and I'm choosing green. It will be green. Okay guys, so after completing or finishing your work, how you can save it or download it, go share button here and you will find download button. Click on download. After clicking on download, it will be downloaded in your computer. So how you can share it with people, just you can go collaborate link and make it anyone with the link, and right here you have to write here the email address you want to share with, @gmail.com. If you click on send, this work will be sent to this email address. Okay guys, so basically this is how you can make or create a whiteboard in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.